Hello designers! In this short Photopea tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply a black and white adjustment to a color image, and I'm going to talk about the differences between working destructively and non-destructively when you're applying adjustments to an image. Let's go ahead and get started. You can see that I already have an image open of a beautiful colorful flower. What I want to eventually do is turn the background black and white and then show off the beautiful colors of the petals. So the first part in this process is to convert the image black and white. There's two different ways that I could do it. I'm going to show you how to do it destructively first, and then later on I'm going to show some non-destructive methods. To convert the image to black and white destructively, I would go to the image menu at the top of my workspace, select Adjustments, and black and white. You can see that with literally no effort on my part, the image was already converted to grayscale, and I can click OK to save my changes. Watch what happens in my layers panel though. You can see that the one and only background layer is now reflected in the thumbnail preview as black and white. But I don't have the ability within the layers panel to go back to the original image in color. Because I'm working destructively, all of those edits are applied to the original image layer. This could be a little bit of a setback if I change my mind later on and I decide I don't want my image to be black and white. Maybe I want to apply an entirely different adjustment. So I'm going to hit Ctrl Z and I'm going to show you guys how to do this non-destructively. By going to the bottom of your layers panel, you can go and find the new adjustment layer icon and select black and white. Once again, you're faced with the same properties that allow you to further customize the black and white adjustment, but I'm going to close them out because I no longer need to see them. But watch what happens in my layers panel. I have the original background layer and I have a brand new layer that says black and white on top. This is the benefit of working non-destructively. If I change my mind at any point throughout my project, I can always just go and toggle the visibility of that layer and go back to the original color image. Now, you can also see that one of the other benefits of working non-destructively is that when you add one of these non-destructive adjustment layers, it already comes with a mask. So I'm going to click inside the mask because what I want to do is reveal the beautiful color of the flower petals. I'm going to go and select my brush tool, tool number 8 in my toolbar, and select a fuzzy round brush from the tool picker and increase my brush size. If I drag over my mouse through the image, I can see how large it is, and make sure my color is set to black. Then start basically masking out the black and white adjustment in the areas of the image that I want to reveal in full color. You can see by checking in my layers panel, the mask next to that black and white adjustment reveals all the changes that I was making in masking out the black and white adjustment and then revealing the true color of the image underneath. If I make a mistake and go into the leaves, for example, I can always switch my color to white and bring back the black and white adjustment in those areas. So ultimately, I do believe there is a great benefit to working non-destructively when you are using image adjustments, because I can always edit my work later on. And this goes for when you're working in Photopea like I am, and also Photoshop if you have Photoshop access at home. I hope this has been helpful to you. Hit me up if you have any questions. Bye!